Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Let's try to solve the today's problem. Before that, if you are watching our video for the first time or if you did not subscribe to our channel yet, then please go and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well so that you can get the notifications of our new videos. Okay, so let's see the problem statement. Okay, here you can see that we have given a problem statement. The problem statement is Emilia loves to play with integers, okay, and we have to print how many distinct integers there are in a given 5 integers a, b, c, d, and e. Okay, these are the 5 integers we have given. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to print the distinct number out of them. Okay, that means we have to count how many distinct numbers are present inside this. Okay, so let's suppose we have given the number 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay, and we have to count how many distinct numbers, and there is 5 numbers. Okay, so let's suppose this is 3. We have to count how many distinct numbers are present in this between these 5 integer numbers. Okay, so here we can see the 2 is present 2 times. Okay, so we have to count it only once. We don't have to count the duplicates inside this. Okay, so the 2 is present. Okay, this is count 1, then 3, it is present 2 times. Okay, so we'll add 1 to it. Okay, and then 4 is present. Okay, so 4. So the distinct number here are 3 inside. In this 5 numbers there are 3 distinct numbers. Okay, so in the input we have given the 5 integers. Okay, so here as well you can see we have given some sample input. Okay, so here are we have given the 5 integer numbers. Okay, so there 21 is present twice, and also 24 is also present twice. Okay, so we have to count only distinct numbers. Okay, we don't have to count the duplicate numbers. Okay, so for the 31 we'll count 1, then for 9 we'll count 1 plus 1, and then for 24 we'll count plus 1. Okay, so for this output should be 3. Okay, so this is the output for the sample input. Okay, and in this sample input only 0 is present, so the output for this is 1. Okay, so now let's try to write the code for this problem. Okay, so these are the problem statement which we have given. Okay, so how we can solve this problem? So basically we can solve this problem by using simply we can use the hash set to solve this problem. So simply what we can do, we'll add these given numbers into the hash set, and the hash set gives us only distinct numbers. So and then we'll print the size of the hash set. This will return the output. Okay, so this is the one approach. Okay, and in the second approach what we can do, we can use array list. Okay, array list. By using array list we can solve this problem. So basically what we can do, we check if the element is present inside the array list or not. If the element is not present in the array list, then only we'll add this element into the array list. Okay, and then at the end we'll print the size of the array list. Okay, so these are the two approaches. By using this we can solve this problem. Okay, so let's try to write the code for this problem. So first we'll take the input scanner sc equals to new scanner system in. Okay, and then what we can do, let's first try to solve it by using array list. Okay, so what I can do, simply will initialize an array list of integer. Okay, and we'll give the name list equals to new array list. Okay, and then what I can do here, I will write one for loop integer I equals to 0, then I should be less than 5. Okay, that we have only 5 integer numbers given, so we'll run this loop till 5. Okay, then inside this for loop, what we can do, we'll write integer numbers, okay, equals to sc dot next int. Okay, okay, so now then what we can do, okay, now here we'll write one condition, that is we have to check that if the element is present inside the array list or not. Okay, so for that what I can do, simply I will write list dot contents. Okay, and inside this we'll pass the numbers. Okay, and what we can do, if the element is not present in the array list, then we'll add the element into the array list. Okay, for that here what I can do, we'll write not present. Okay, then we'll add list, add numbers. Okay, so and at the end what we can do, we will print the size of the array list. So we write system.out.println and list dot size. Okay, this will give the output. Okay, so now let's try to run this code. So simply I copy this input, paste it in the input, click on run. Okay, let's see whether it works or not. Okay, output is 3. Okay, you can see the output is 3. Let's see for this second sample input. Click on run. Output should be 1 for this. Okay, you can see that output is 1. Okay, now let's see. Let's try to submit. Okay, here you can see that all the test cases has been passed. Okay, so this is the one approach to solve this problem. Okay, now the second approach is we can solve this by using hash set. Okay, so let's see this. So I'll comment out this. Okay, then what we can do, we'll initialize one hash set of integers. You can the name set equals to new hash set. Then what I can do, I will write one for loop integer I equals to 0, then I should be less than 5, I plus plus, and inside this what we can do simply, we'll add the elements into hash set. So I will write set dot add, and inside this we'll write sc dot next int. Okay, so this will add the distinct elements inside hash set. Okay, and at the end we'll print the size of the hash set. Okay, so this is the code by using the hash set. Let's try to run. So what I can do, I'll copy this input. Let's first click on run. Let's see whether this works or not. Some error. Let's see the next thing. Cannot find the symbol. Set integer set equals to hash set. What is the error? Let's see what the next int scanner. Is integer equals to 0. Next int. Okay. And we add numbers inside this. You control. Okay. Uh, you can see output is 3, which is correct. Now let's see for the second sample input. So I'll copy this. Okay. And click on run. Okay, you can see that output is 1, which is correct. Okay, so this is the second approach to solve this problem. Okay, now let's try to submit. Okay, you can see that all the test cases has been passed. Okay, so this is the code for this problem. Okay, so that's it in this video. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. ओके, सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.